Heavenly Gifts. Jesus elucidates the true church. April 26, 1841. Jesus reveals through Jacob Lorber in Volume 1, Chapter 107. The Lord says, "A church is only a true church if it teaches my will and preaches the life out of love, which has bled on the cross for the whole earth, yes, for all of creation." However, a church that only blesses itself and curses everything else is like a cheapskate who wishes death upon everyone, so he might take hold of everything. Yet it is more likely for a camel to fit through the eye of a needle than for such a cheapskate to enter heaven.